Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get unlimited reviews on chess.com. You need to get a diamond membership which gets you effectively unlimited reviews. Best if you analyze a lot of games and want full feature like coach, explanation, accuracy, etc. Also, you can use analysis instead of game review. This is the best free workaround. Just open your game, then click Analysis, not Game Review. Use engine lines, best moves, evaluation bar, and unlimited and free. No coach explanation. And finally, you can try import games manually. You can copy game PGN and paste into analysis board, which is still unlimited. Also use the combo chess.com play games and Chess unlimited analysis. It's best for free setup. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.